Right, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You joined me at sunset pretty much. It's 6 o'clock and we're actually heading down to MRC Tuning right now because we're going to do the dyno video. Yeah, evening doesn't matter when you're going to do car stuff. So yeah, the plan is we're finally doing that how much power has it lost video. If you are new to the channel and this is the first video you're watching, this is my high mileage Golf GTI Mark 5. See, at the moment the only sort of power issues I know of are related to the diverter valve. Is actually pretty much gone, to be fair. So the car does have that low boost error code. It did come up on the inspection video. So I do have the diverter valve in the boot, so if we get a chance to fit it when we're there, we will try and do that. You can go ahead right now and put in the comments what you think it's going to make. But yeah, guys, I won't bore you too much. We'll head up to Banbury and I'll see you guys there. Right folks, so I'm here in Banbury, never been here before. MRC should be somewhere around the corner somewhere, according to my Google Maps. As you can see, CarPlay on the 2 Grand Golf. Yeah guys, it should be pretty good fun. I've never been to MRC before and I've actually driven a fair few cars that have been tuned from here. So quite looking forward to seeing it. This is after hours. There's one thing I do need to point out before we get there. I think we're just around the corner, but because there's a lot of customer builds and various things that MRC would like to keep off the internet, we will probably just record the dyno and a few other things, whatever we can get done. We're not going to go put in the camera every build or, you know, stuff like that. We've got to respect their privacy. So yeah, we're nearly there and we'll see what the sketch is. Looks like we're here. MRC Tuning. Yeah guys, I can already see a bunch of RS Audis. Alright, so the car's going on the dyno now. What we're going to do a couple of runs. We'll sort of catch up afterwards and get like a printout of all the runs. I'm going to put the tripod down. You guys basically see the sketch where they're going on the dyno. Literally a shed on the dyno pretty much. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Car's all strapped up. Engine bay still looking clean. Hopefully lasts the run. Right guys, so it's the next day, back at home. As you see, the car has made it back fine, even after the dyno run. I thought I'd wait till it's a bit more bright and less noisy, because that dyno is crazy loud, trust me. You couldn't even hear the car, it was just a dyno. I know this thing sounds like a vacuum cleaner at the moment, but yeah, I've got the printout here of the dyno run. But yeah, before I reveal the figures to you guys, make sure you go down and hit subscribe. It helps a lot with the channel and whatever crazy stuff we might have planned for this year. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. As you can see, the car made 159 PS. I wonder if that's far off what you guys guessed, or bad or good. I mean, to be fair, yeah, it is pretty low. It's 40 horsepower off the mark of what they should be standard. Now, as we can see, in run 1 it made 153. We did 2 runs. The second one it made 159. Definitely feels about right when you're driving this thing. It doesn't feel like 200 horsepower. It feels like, to me anyway, from the sort of experience I've got from other cars I've driven, it feels like between 160 180. There's a lot of lag below 3k, like I've said many times. So this is a dyno run exactly how it is. Nothing's been changed on this car. The only thing that's been changed is those coolant hoses, but they don't do anything. They're not performance sort of benefit. They're more of a dress up thing and just making the engine bay a bit more solid. But yeah, 159 PS. You can convert that into horsepower wherever you like, but we'll show you guys the part that will probably make a huge difference in terms of the power. Got it here. Right, so here it is. It's already starting to rain in the wasteland. Okay, so here we go. Diverter valve. This is the revision G. As you can see there, that's the part number if you guys are interested. I picked this up online. I think it was around £45 or something like that. Now this, in theory, should solve a lot of our issues and probably give us back some power too. Because when you're driving this car, you can hear a lot of whistling and it just feels like it's just leaking away most of its boost. So once this is in, we could do another dyno run and see how it fares. Now it's quite important for me, like from a personal perspective, to be very honest with you guys. So that's why I left this part off. I've had this part for nearly 2 weeks now, and the thing is, you got to get the car on the ramp. You can do it through a wheel arch, but I'd rather get on a ramp. So I thought I'd do it without that and show you guys exactly what it's like. I didn't want to put on some parts and tell you guys, oh look, my car is really great. The bottom line is making like 160 horsepower just about. But yeah, there are a few little updates I will show you. I don't know if you've noticed it already, but the car has no rear seats anymore. Well, it has got the seat bases, but I took out the seat backs. So you need a T30 Torx bit on a screwdriver. You also need an M10 spleen bit on a ratchet, of course. Those are 2 things you need, and you need also a flathead bit as well, or you can use a pry tool because we've got to take off some clips. They're pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy or anything like that. But yeah, let's remove this out of the way. One more extra bit. All right, who knows what's hidden under this floor? Might be some wildlife living under here. Okay, nothing too bad just yet. This is all a new discovery, like literally whatever I'm filming right now is the first time I've taken this floor out. So we've got all the bits here. The locking nut is actually in the car somewhere, I've got that. But yeah, let's move some of this dangerous stuff out the way. These screws are the ones I took off. Take this tray off. Wow, that looks like it's never been moved. Excessive weight, and probably doesn't weigh nothing, to be fair. Now I've got to pry that off. This is all the junk that's left underneath, by the way. Look, easy enough. If you want to be lazy, you still can do things. There we go. Sorted. Move that. That's what you need the flathead for. Equally use a trim removal tool. So that's what we're going to do now. T30 bits there, and then once we do that, we'll be using the ratchet with the spleen bit on there, the M10. It's a very professional vlog, as you can see. Well, that was easy. Didn't even need to put it down. There we go. That's off. I'll take this bit off here. Alright, so make sure you pull from the inside, and then it's quite easy, to be fair, and pull out this way. There's like a little thing it sits on, like a little hook or something. Alright, so there we go, off the seat support. Right, so let's just get on here, climbing in and out of this shed. Right, so you're going to put the M10 on there, and you're going to take that off so we can remove the seat belt. I'll just do that now. I'll put the camera down. There we go. Pretty long bolt, as you'd expect. It is holding the seat belt down, so I don't expect it to be some quick and easy thing. It is a safety thing. But yep, looks like we can get this out. Right, so I've got to mess something up on the GTI. I'll show you now. It's very simple. Basically, you know the second M10 screw over there, I've essentially rounded it off. It's basically a round bolt now, and this is the M10, as you can see, with some sort of depth on it. Great stuff. Basically means I won't be able to take that off right now. Probably will be able to do it in some other way, quite simply. I know it's just a minor thing, but yeah, we'll proceed with just keeping the seat backs off for now. Might need to get some other tools out or something just to remove that. But yeah, little word of advice, basically relax when you're doing that. Don't put too much pressure on it like I did. But yeah, good stuff. Taking the seatbelt bit off, it basically just pops out because I already loosened the other M10. The other one is just to loosen the whole base off, from what I've been told anyway. But yeah, we'll get rid of this. We'll essentially have half a seat, 2-seater Golf, you know what I mean? But yeah guys, I think what we'll do, we'll wrap up the video here. That's what the GTI made on the dyno, the very high mileage GTI. Yeah, all good. We should be visiting MRC again to get it mapped. I'm gonna get that sorted. But yeah guys, enough of that rambling. I'll see you in the next video.